A small girl lived in a quiet town where colors felt brighter in her imagination than in real life. Every morning she woke up with hope in her heart and filled old papers with colorful drawings. Even though no one ever noticed her work, she never stopped believing. One day, after a soft rain, the sky opened into warm sunlight and she placed her drawings outside where the breeze made them dance. As people passed by, some slowed their steps, some smiled, and one tired old man stopped and said, "Your colors made my heavy day feel light." Her heart glowed with joy, and in that moment she understood that even the smallest effort made with love can bring hope to others. And when you stay true to your dreams, the world slowly begins to notice the light you carry inside. From that day, she kept sharing her colors without fear, and her hope grew stronger, knowing that even one smile can change a life, and that light shared with others always finds its way back.